So if you want to go ahead and make your form a bit funky and informal, you can actually go ahead and add in GIF animations to it. So to do that, you can actually go around onto widget, and then to add in, let's say, GIF animations, you can go ahead and utilize something called Giphy Widget. So I'm just going to go around over here, type in GI, then there's Giphy, as you can see, which comes up with its own default GIF meme. So let's say now I want to replace it out with another image. Then you can go to the Giphy's website, and then you can go ahead and search for a GIF that you want to embed, and then click on embed right here. So now around over here, you can see that there's a frame src. Simply go ahead and copy out this link right here. So the embed link right here. Simply go ahead and copy this right from besides the frame src. Then over here, you can simply go ahead and paste this out right here. And as you do that, you can see your own GIF right here being replaced. So if I were to go ahead and preview out the form right here, then what you have is you have this GIF right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the Giphy widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe